So this was a 0-part rebuild. The headlight was good, the bumper cover was good, the convertible top trunk was good, and you'll never believe how much I ended up getting this car for. Working on my 2006 Pontiac G6, and this is the GTP hardtop convertible. Beautiful leather interior, GTP embroidery. This car is in absolutely gorgeous shape. Current mileage is 73,040 miles. When I got this car, the trunk lid was in the upright, reverse upright position in order to receive the convertible hardtop. So I fixed that part. I still have to do a few more finishing touches, like put the trunk liner back in and the spare tire cover. And then I had to fix the automatic trunk pop. It actually doesn't have a keyhole, so the only way you can get into the trunk is by pushing the trunk release. Right there. Getting this prepared for the State Patrol inspection, which is in a couple weeks. So right now I'm going to take the front bumper cover off and fix the grille, secure the headlight. Looks like whatever body shop they took it to for the estimate removed it, put all the parts in the trunk, and the insurance auction yard just taped it back to the front. First thing I'm going to do is pop the hood and remove the tape. Now to do it on the other side. So for the moment of truth, pull the bumper cover off and see if there's any damage. Look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely no damage. That is gorgeous. Let me pull this headlight back out, see what it looks like underneath. Absolutely zero damage. Now to fix this grill. Hook up the fog lights. Alright, so now all I have to do is get the clip that goes behind the fender. This goes up in there and secures the bumper to the fender. And then all the little 7mm bolts hold the wheel well liner on. And it's actually not looking bad. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is secure this fender down, give it a good wash so I can look for any more damage. But fortunately there's no major damage done with the front, no major damage done with the back. So this car is overall in really, really good shape. Trunk lid works perfectly, except for I gotta rewire in the automatic trunk release, because that is the only way to pop the trunk. And then these push clips go right in there. So that is so nice that the body shop was able to leave all this stuff with the car. That is most of the time not the case. I did get an emblem as well, but I'm gonna have to get some double-sided tape to stick that on correctly. Absolutely gorgeous looking car. So this was a 0-part rebuild. The headlight was good, the bumper cover was good, the convertible top trunk was good. Right now it just needs a thorough detail, and that includes getting some of the sticky residue off from the auction tape they put on, and then detail the inside, completely go through it mechanically and see if it needs any maintenance, if there's any problems. And you'll never believe how much I end up getting this car for. The next video is going to be getting it inspected by the State Patrol to get it back on the road. And then we'll present it to its new owner. After I get it back from the State Patrol, I'm going to play around with the convertible top. Just make sure that works correctly. I don't really want to mess with it right now, because right now it'll pass inspection, and if it gets stuck in some different configuration, I won't be able to get the State Patrol inspection passed, and those appointments are hard to get. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.